Hey, Rob from the future here. Well, we were finishing up the video, putting these side marker lights in on Robbie's K5, and we put them in, finished the video, and I filmed the rest of it, my little closing, whatever, and we're not using it. And the reason why we're not using it is because I hated it. I hated the way the lights looked. They're nice lights, don't get me wrong. We ordered the wrong ones. The other ones that we were going to order were full LEDs, but they still had a chrome trim around them, which isn't going to look right for this truck. These were just very bright. Even with the chrome trim, if you could remove it or black it out, they were still very bright. So what we did was we took the lights out, we taped them off, we cleaned them up, we sanded them a little bit, and we painted that chrome trim with black bed liner, and figuring that that would tone them down. Did it? They came out awesome, but it didn't tone it down at all because that silver reflector that you could see through the clear lens was just making the whole light look silver, and it was killing the vibe. So we went out and we bought some Nightshades lens paint. Where it'll sort of tint your lenses and still allow light to go through. And we gave it 3 good dustings with the Nightshades, and this is what we wound up with. And now this really looks the part. It fits the truck nice. Maybe we'll get some black screws instead of the... so maybe some black screws would make it look nice, but this really fits it. So we got bed liner around the outside where the chrome was, and then we got the Nightshades covering everything, including the bed liner. And it just looks right. And when we put the light on, right, still plenty of light going through. Looks good at night, looks good during the day, and I think it's good. So with that, if you do order these lights, or you are using lights with the chrome bezel and you want to tone it down, I found this to be excellent. Using that the VHT Nightshades, what is it called? It's called translucent paint or lens tinting paint or whatever it is, and some bed liner. The bed liner we used was just out of a spray can, black bed liner. It's I'll put a link to the actual brand we use in the description below because it's a very forgiving paint. It doesn't really give you tiger stripes when you're working on a big panel. You can really fill it in nice, and it's got a nice texture and it wears nice. Very UV stable. We did them on Amanda's Jeep, did the fender flares, the plastic fender flares with that bed paint, that bed liner paint, and out in the sun, 2 years, they still look like the day we painted them. So that's it today. Finally, Rob from the future, Axel Rod.